Hey, everybody, what's going on? Happy Halloween!
That's right.
As per usual, we have a pumpkin carving contest every year, and these guys are joining us.
So it's ThreadBanger versus SimplyNailogical.
Let's go pick these pumpkins. There are a lot of fucking pumpkins here. Holy shit.
This is so much fun! Oh my god, that's disgusting.
It's like Rob in high school.
No, we need
What do you got over there? You got your first one?
This is perfect for my wine pumpkin of the year. This is all Christine gets. I definitely think that's good enough for your body weight. This is all you can handle. I think this is the one for me. Hey! Don't take my pumpkin! Don't knock all the other pumpkins over. Oh. Rob, you guys got your pumpkins? All right.
I'm ready to go.
I don't care about your f***ing game. I just want to make pumpkin pie.
Let's go back to the house, carve these up. We got our pumpkins. We're back. Everybody happy with their choice?
I would have gotten a smaller pumpkin if I knew we only had a limited amount of time.
Wait, what? How long do we have?
Only
45 minutes.
That's
Yeah.
not even long enough to paint my nails. The heck? How am I gonna do this with nails?
Do you have a plan?
Are we supposed to make this scary?
I think it's like a real creative endeavor of your own choosing. Just do it
I'm gonna
whatever.
think of something really scary.
You're going for scary.
Yeah.
I don't know what I'm going for.
I'm gonna put all the bets in on mine.
All
I'll
right.
bet next month's AdSense.
Wow.
But if he's
wow.
demonetized, then it's nothing.
This is just good family fun.
I think Rob just got scared because we actually know Ben's gonna win.
Yeah.
I'm not good at this.
Yes, you are. You carved a really good Rob pumpkin.
You did.
Yeah, it's the best advertising money we've ever spent.
Got one of these.
Sponsored by ThreadBanger.
Oh, and that's what we're gonna be using today. We've
wow.
got our classic ThreadBanger basic bitch carving kits.
I don't want to use that. That thing's
What?
You can sell them all?
No, we have a whole warehouse full. That's the tea. I think we should just get started, shall we? I'm nervous about you having that knife.
I'm trying to do this
Like-
and hold a knife at the same time.
All right, the clock starts right now.
Oh my god, this is
There-
terrifying.
I'm scared.
There's a lot of knives just flying around right now.
I cannot be trusted.
Wait, why did we time a knife-based project?
I'm not sure, but I don't know if I have the insurance to cover all this.
Oh my god.
You okay there? You need some supervision?
If I break a nail, I'm suing. This is the scary part.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Ben!
There we go.
Ben,
Do you?
No.
Actually, when we did this, the live stream, I had to scoop it for her.
Ben, if you don't help me, I will stab myself.
You could use your nails as the scoopers.
Oh yeah.
No, that would be a risk.
This is hard work.
I knew I'd be doing a 2 pumpkin challenge here.
You want to use a bigger knife?
Watch out. Jesus. There we go.
Wow.
You have supreme being strength.
Damn it.
That's not fair.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Jesus Christ.
Hey, stop taking the Lord's name in vain.
Oh god.
This is way too hard.
My arm hurts. Guys, we already did yoga this morning. I'm doing another workout.
I hurt my shoulder earlier and it
I was in like the downward dog pose and like now my legs are strained.
YouTube problems. Ben, did you discuss your idea?
That's my
You
secret.
didn't even tell me.
How graphic do you think the pumpkin would have to be for it to actually get
A
flagged?
pumpkin being.
There would have to be a dick on it.
I know what I'm doing.
Oh, my nails are getting gross. This is not okay.
Will you scoop mine for me?
I think Bryn and I get like an extra 20 minutes.
We get the extra 20 minutes. I'm scooping out pumpkins over here.
Not if you dump it out first.
Oh,
It smells good. I gotta look up a reference photo.
oh, well, you can't go on your phone.
I'm not.
Ben, what are you drawing over there?
A dick.
You got some stiff competition. So far, I think I'm winning. I like to go classic.
Well, just checking in on the time here. We have 33 minutes remaining.
No problem.
Not good. So I'm gonna have an electric carver over there.
Here, catch.
You're keeping that all to yourself over
Hey,
there.
hey, hey! No
What?
peeking. Let's see my reference photo.
Ben's going savage.
Oh my god, Ben!
I don't know. I can't know.
Tell.
Alright, let's see.
I don't like the sound of that right
No.
beside my ear.
It's not good.
This thing sucks. Gotta go manual.
Ben's going hands-on savage.
Woo!
Alright. It's cute.
Gonna take a giant piece out. Oh, this doesn't look as I intended.
Really?
It looked much better in my head.
We're looking at 28 minutes remaining.
Oh shit.
That's more than enough
I
time.
need a wine break.
Not going in.
That's what she said.
Ew, demonetized.
What? That's too much? My pumpkin's eyebrows are gonna be like my eyebrows.
On fleek.
No, they don't match at all.
Well, it's nice that we're carving pumpkins together this year.
It is nice.
Like a real family.
I prefer the virtual friendship.
Wow.
Corinne, you bent my tool.
Oh, come on, guys.
Oh, get Ben. Grin, look, more wine. Yay. Oh, I was trying to distract her.
No. I do feel like
No
my
one
nail
get what
doesn't
this
like
is? My own boyfriend doesn't even know.
A big bullet?
Yeah, and then find the
Are we roasting marshmallows?
No, I just need a couple things.
Is it like an abstract cat face and it's like meow?
No, it's a realistic portrait of a true traumatic tragedy.
Is it your fucking broken nail?
Hey, I said I'm going for scary. Look at this. We could have a bowl of pumpkin seeds later.
They need to be roasted first.
All right, let's see if I can make some improvements so people actually understand what this is.
I think this is a back porch pumpkin is what this is.
I mean, we don't want to scare the children. I could leave this piece dangling. So it's like the piece of the broken nail is dangling. Genius!
We are looking at approximately 15 minutes.
I'm good. I don't need
Okay,
to.
cheers.
We got
15
this.
minutes, that's like 3 cocktails.
Ooh.
Ben, how you doing over there?
I broke my tool.
Yeah.
Does someone have another one? These kids really do suck.
See, I told you.
Who's your dreamboat vampire?
I will change my idea. I'll suck your blood anytime.
Okay.
Oh, hey.
I like how you have to put how many views the video got too. Very humble. We found the sociopath.
Aren't we all? Let me guess. You're gonna put sad music to this.
Oh wait, we have to
Sociopath.
Google sad music. There it is. There it is. That is pretty sad music, huh? You can hear it playing right now?
That's good.
Oh, yeah.
We're looking at 7 minutes
Ooh.
to go.
I win for most classic pumpkin.
Oh, that's really original.
Damn.
Savage! I mean, come on.
Oh, that's the worst one. Don't worry about
Okay, cool. Great, great, great. As long as I'm not on the bottom, I'm fine. Oh, she's crying. We made her cry.
Just blowing my nose. We have to sign our art. We need a Sharpie.
She's signing the pumpkin?
Yes.
Didn't they say 1 in 4 people? Oh wait, they're
Just
supposed
so
to
you
be
know.
really likable.
Not the same.
She's out. Here's some real blood.
I just bought that.
Okay. Look, it went bad in 2015.
15. Oh, that's underwhelming.
You guys better finish up because we have exactly 1 minute remaining. Everybody put your finishing
Pour the
details,
blood.
final touches. You don't have your candle in it.
Oh, what? You have to have the candle in it too?
What? No.
Oh, shit.
6.
Wait, what? No, candle.
Wait, I need a
Five.
candle.
Wait, candle,
4.
candle, candle. Where's my
Everybody's
candle?
talking
You don't
around.
have a lighter.
1. And that's
No, no, you didn't say the candle had to be in it.
Where's my You didn't give us a candle.
Into my pumpkin.
Uh-oh. We need a lighter.
it. That's why I brought this.
Really?
Yeah.
That doesn't work. Oh my god. Wow.
All right.
Yeah.
Ready for the reveal?
Are you ready?
Everyone turn around.
Dun, 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 dun. What do you think?
What do you think?
What do you think?
What do you think?
Starting over at Ben's.
I call it Shunned Vlogger Desecrates Suicide Victim.
Wow.
Wow.
Is that a tube filter article title?
Do we play sad music here?
We certainly don't play that video.
Certainly not.
What do you think? Too much? Too far?
I don't think that video even
Little
exists
far, Ben.
anymore.
I don't think that we can even show that. That's got to be blue.
We have to blur out the pumpkin.
Nobody can even see
Sorry,
that
guys.
now.
For creativity, I give you a 10 for sure.
Originality 10.
for-
I've never seen that on a pumpkin before.
Christine, please tell us about your pumpkin.
Well, it's very scary. So
It is?
it's burning.
It's
So scary. My idea is on fire.
Wow, it's lit.
Oh.
Yes. 2 years ago, I broke my nail, and it, it was very hard, very traumatic time for me. It was the end of my channel. Not really, just the end of nail art, actually. And so this is a, pumpkin representation of that hard time in my life. It also had 10 million people watch it because they're,
Just had to bring that up
Yeah.
again.
they're so morbid. They all wanted to see me suffer.
Yeah, I think that's why.
Wow, yeah, no, it's-
Very
There you go.
creative.
yeah,
Thank you.
it's- and sad.
And very sad
Yeah.
and scary.
Mhm.
That's what I was going for.
You get 10 out of 10 for sure.
10 out of 10 nails.
10 out of 10 nails.
Hopefully 0
Yeah.
broken.
Moving on to pumpkin number 3. This is a good looking pumpkin.
It's a classic Halloween pumpkin. I mean, it's not memeable, it's not funny,
Yeah.
it's not creative,
Yeah.
What?
it's not highly disturbing, but it's a classic Halloween pumpkin that I won't be embarrassed to put on my porch. So there's Nice.
It's cute.
That's winning for
That's
something. So how about your pumpkin over here? What is this all about?
This is, you know, I see yours. I see they're all pretty scary, but this is probably the scariest of them all. This is the millennial pumpkin.
Oh, God.
Taking a selfie. His light shines a little bit different from the inside. It's a little techno rave going on.
Very original.
Yeah, I'm surprised.
You came up with that idea all by yourself, huh?
No, I saw it on the internet.
What?
I saw it on Pinterest.
Pinterest video?
Damn it!
So this is the point where you vote down below for your favorite pumpkin.
Classic pumpkin.
No. Original pumpkin.
Can't
They
even
got-
tell.
I'll vote for Ross. I'll
Yeah,
vote
I'm
for
gonna
yours.
vote for Ben's.
Vote for my pumpkin.
Oh wait, hold on. We gotta see them all in the dark. So again, we got selfie pumpkin, vampire pumpkin.
Broken nail pumpkin. And
Hello.
then Ben's very politically incorrect pumpkin. Why this pumpkin? Why now?
There's nothing scarier than someone who would use this for views, right?
Wow.
Yes.
That's
cheers
cheers to that.
You know, always dropping that knowledge.
Ben's a skinny
it's on
legend.
fire.
Yeah, it's a statement on modern vlogging culture.
Wow. Well, we did it. We carved some pumpkins.
What are you guys gonna be for Halloween? Any costumes?
You want to be an adult and just sit at home with the lights off?
Wow.
I'm just gonna be myself.
That is scary. Ready?
Oh, there it is. We got a sock in the house.
It sucks.
A big thanks to SimplyNailogical and Fam.
And Sam.
That's you, Ben. I don't know who the you are. Who knows?
Simply been logical.
No.
All the way from Canada to,
Wow.
Thanks for having
to
us.
come
Yes.
do this. Leave your comments of who you want to win this very fun, friendly competition.
Not competitive at all.
And go subscribe to this channel, although, you know.
You already are.
Yeah.
Probably.
We'll see you. Happy Halloween. We'll see you around next time.
Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween. Bye.
Get me some candy. Thanks. Bye.
They're supposed to click a video now.
Oh.
Or subscribe to
Do you
your
think they're
channel.
going to?
I don't know.
They probably won't.
No, well, I'll put up one of us. It'll be a good time. Okay, bye.